Welcome back to another Supreme unboxing. Today we got Supreme drops from week 7, week 8, and week 10. And we also got the Travis Scott Jordan 6s. Alright, so first up, we're going through the week 7 stuff. Alright, the first item we got is the big logo beanie in black. Yeah, so that's about it. The second item we got, cart is full, oh my god. Alright, second item for week 7 is the Supreme Pillows tee in black. This tee looks pretty cool. It looks like the Nickelodeon like splatter in a way. Has a nice design to it. We also got some stickers. Here's a sticker pack for this week. So now we're moving on to week 8. Week 8 we caught the Supreme lantern, the hanging lantern in red. This. So here's the sticker pack for week 8. Here's the Supreme lantern in red. Here's the hanging bracket, as well as the lantern. Next up, we're unboxing the week 10. On week 10, I caught the North Face and Supreme collab piece. It's the mountain jacket in yellow. It's the Statue of Liberty. It's the Statue of Liberty mountain jacket in yellow. It's a pretty loud piece with the Statue of Liberty. Huge face on the back and the front. Right here you can see the North Face and Supreme tag. Last but not least, we have the Travis Scott Jordan 6s in size 7U. This is what I'm most excited for in this unboxing. Travis Scott shoes. Woo! And here they are. It looks like there's a defect on the side right here. But these things are fresh. It has the pocket on the side. Has the cactus jack on the inside of the pocket. So that's really cool. The insoles actually glow in the dark. This is how they look glowing in the dark. So there you go. Pretty nice glow. Has the Cactus Jack logo right on the top. On the inside of the flat, there's actually the Cactus Jack. There's an inside stitching there. But these are pretty dope. I wish I could wear these. Came with a little jump man. These pockets are so dope. Yo. So that pretty much concludes this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out the week 11 Supreme live cop video right here. And don't forget to also subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. Peace.